Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a calculated field to a totals query. So first what you want to do is you want to change your query to design view. And then in our first blank column, I'm going to add a column and I'm going to name it days on market. And the reason I'm going to name it days on market is because I want this field to calculate how many days a certain listing has been on the market. So I'm going to type it in and then I'm going to go right here to builder and then I'm going to type days on market and I'm going to put a colon. And then since to find the days on market, I'm going to have to take the difference between the date sold and the date listed. So I'm going to go to properties, tables, and then properties. And then I'm going to insert date sold. I'm going to double click it so that it enters it in to my builder. Then I'm going to insert a minus sign. And then I'm going to do date listed. And then so I'm going to double click that one so that it updates there. Then I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, it added it in here. Then I'm going to click enter. And now when I run my query, it's going to display a column that shows days on market. That's it. Thank you.